Have you been hurt or seriously injured? Every year, millions of people are treated for preventable personal injuries, from automobile accidents to workplace injuries and even product defects. A personal injury occurs when an individual is wrongfully hurt, resulting in bodily injury or property damage. If you have been wrongfully injured due to another party's negligence or recklessness, you may have a legal right to compensation. You shouldn't have to worry about haggling with insurance companies in order to receive the compensation you deserve for your medical bills, lost wages, or vehicle damage. Not to worry, we're here to help. We're the experienced personal injury attorney that can help get the answers you need and the justice you deserve. We're dedicated to aggressively representing our clients and achieving the maximum recovery possible. Contact us today for a free, no obligation, professional assessment of your case.